Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. As you can see, today I'm gonna do the unboxing of Feiyu Tech AK 2000, which is a brand new one. I just bought it yesterday. Feiyu Tech just come out with two new products, which is AK 2000 and also AK 4000, which is this AK 2000 is a smaller version of AK 4000, which, if I'm not mistaken, it can support up to 2.8 kg, and AK 4000 it can support up to 4 kg, around that probably. Right, so yeah, let's do the unboxing. Here we go. Feiyu Tech AK 2000. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there we go. This is similar like DJI, I guess. And also similar like the drone box. It's a polystyrene, and here you got the lock. Oh, anyway, this is what's inside here. Let's see. Hello. Wow. Okay, this is the warranty card, which is valid for 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. And this is manual book, I guess. Yeah, it's a manual book. Right. So nothing much in here. Nothing much. Okay. So the warranty card is valid 3 years. Okay. Right, back to here. Right, back to here. Let's see. Ta-da! Okay, here is the charger. Here is the tripod, mini tripod. Looks steady, firm, made up of metal. Very good, right? Side. And this is the charger for all the batteries. It uses 4 batteries. Okay, right, side, and yeah, then quick release, right. And here is the gimbal. Oops. Okay, here's the gimbal. This is the touch screen. Rotating mount. Here they got like a silicone. Yeah, it's like a silicone rubber. Good for grip. Pretty good. Okay, put it aside. Let's see what else inside it. Okay, we have here like oh, this is cable for Canon, and this is for Sony and Panasonic. Yeah, it's a mini micro USB here. Right. What else? Nothing much. Next is, what is this? This is the USB cable, micro USB cable. Yeah. Alright. Okay, back side. And this is all the screws. It has 3 screws. And also the best part is this is lens mounting. Okay. Alright, that's pretty much about it. It is from Feiyu Tech AK 2000. Alright guys, that's pretty much about it. I'll give it a try tomorrow, since tomorrow is my first anniversary with my wife, and I'm gonna bring her to a place that I'll share with you later. Okay, so yeah, I'll bring it tomorrow and give it a try on our first anniversary.